Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your science teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your science class. My dear students, as you know that we are on chapter number 3, Human Health, and today I will deliver its 9th lecture. And in this lecture, we will discuss the ways of water purification. कि हम कैसे पानी को साफ कर सकते हैं घर पर. So my dear students, let's move towards the recap of the previous lecture. Listen to the questions very carefully and then answer them. How drinking water becomes unclean? Very good. So when the sewage water adds into the drinking water, it makes the water unhealthy. And the pesticides, when they become the part of underground water, they also make the water polluted. So and acid rain, air pollution, they also makes the water harmful and polluted. So now is the time for an activity. Show students given pictures and ask them how poor sewerage system is harmful. So my dear students, आप जल्दी से मुझे बताएं कि poor sewerage system जो है वो कैसे हमारे लिए बहुत खतरनाक है. Very good. अगर साफ पानी के अंदर गंदा पानी शामिल हो जाएगा and it will come into your homes for drinking, so that water is extremely harmful because it will cause many diseases. So इस तरह के पानी को हमेशा प्योरीफाई करके पीना चाहिए ताकि जो है आप मुख्तलिफ तरह की बीमारियों से बच सकें. सो वाटर पोल्यूटेड होगा तो इसको हमें प्योरीफाई करना चाहिए. सो टुडे वी विल डिस्कस मेनी वेज ऑफ वाटर प्योरीफिकेशन. आज का हमारा लेसन भी यही है कि हम वाटर को प्योरीफाई करने के मुख्तलिफ तरीके जो हैं उनके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. इन टुडेज लेक्चर स्टूडेंट्स विल बी एबल टू एक्सप्लोर अ फ्यू वेज दैट कैन मेक वाटर क्लीन एंड सुटेबल फॉर ड्रिंकिंग. वाटर फिल्ट्रेशन एंड बॉइलिंग आर द फ्यू वेज बाय विच वी कैन make the water pure or we can purify it. So let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. It is He who sends down water, that is rain, from the sky. From it you drink and from it grows the vegetation, and on which you send your cattle to pasture. So my dear students, with this good note, let's move forward towards pre-reading question. Should we drink dirty or clean water? Clean water, of course. Which activities make our drinking water dirty? Air pollution, poor sewerage, and mixing of fertilization with underground water makes the water polluted. So my dear students, quickly open page number 98 in your Science 4 books, chapter number 3. I hope everybody has opened the books. Now let's start the reading. Put your fingers where I will read. Water purification. Water purification means making water clean, free of impurities. Purified water ensures health and boosts up body functions. There are many ways to purify water. The following two can be practiced at home. So पानी को साफ करने के बहुत से तरीके हैं. ये दोनों जो हैं ये घर पे भी प्रैक्टिस हो सकते हैं. ये दो तरीके जो अभी हम डिस्कस करेंगे. Number 1 is boiling. Have you ever seen your mother boiling water or filtering it using a cloth? Boiling is the way to clean water. In this method, water is heated until it is bubbling. Heating continues for 5 minutes. After bubbling starts, then water is cooled down and is ready to use. So my dear students, आपने क्या कभी अपनी मदर को पानी को उबालते हुए देखा है? ज़रूर देखा होगा. ये एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट मेथड है जिससे आप पानी को प्योरीफाई या साफ कर सकते हैं. पानी को बॉयल किया जाता है तब तक जब तक कि वो बबल ना करे, जिस तरह के आपको पिक्चर में नजर आ रहा है. When it starts bubbling, we let it keep bubble. यानी कि इसको 5 मिनट तक बबल करने दिया जाता है ताकि तमाम इम्प्योरिटीज और जर्म्स जो हैं वो किल हो जाएं, और इसके बाद दिस वाटर इज फिट टू बी यूज्ड. नेक्स्ट इज फिल्ट्रेशन. सो लेट्स रीड अबाउट दिस प्रोसेस. इन द अदर मेथड, अ स्मॉल पीस ऑफ एल्म, दैट इज फिटकरी, इज एडेड इनटू वाटर टू प्योरीफाई इट. Wait for 5 minutes. Set clean cloth on the mouth of another bucket, bowl. Pour the dirty water on the cloth slowly. The poured out water is clean and ready to use. So my dear students, एक और तरीका जो कि पानी को साफ करने का है, that is filtration. और filtration के मेथड में पानी में फिटकरी या एल्म डाली जाती है. इसके बाद वो कोगुलेट करता है, उसके अंदर कोगुलेशन होती है और जितने भी हार्मफुल पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो एल्म के साथ जो है वो अटैच हो जाते हैं. आफ्टर दैट यू कैन फिल्टर दिस वाटर थ्रू अ क्लॉथ और फिल्टरिंग आप वो ले सकते हैं क्लीन क्लॉथ, और उससे आप इसको छान लें एंड दिस वाटर इज क्लीन एंड फिट टू बी यूज्ड. सो मेक इट कूल एंड देन इट इज फिट टू बी ड्रिंकिंग आफ्टर बॉइलिंग. सो नेक्स्ट इज फिल्टरिंग. पुट एल्म इनटू द वाटर एंड देन स्ट्रेन इट and that is fit to be used or for drinking. So my dear students, this is filtration and boiling that we have discussed for water purification. Now is the time for your practice. For this, you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print form by your teacher. Write down your name and your roll number and then answer the following questions. What is water purification? How does water polluted becomes polluted? How you boil water for drinking at home? At which temperature water is boiled? How can we filter water by Elm? So my dear students, these are very simple and easy questions. Answer them, pause the video and complete it. I hope everybody has finished it. Now we will move forward towards your evaluation. For evaluation, listen to the question and then answer it. What type of water is purified? That is unclean. That needs purification. How does water purified at home? By boiling and filtration. Homework. So for homework, you will do question number 5 from section number C. This is your homework. You will do it at your homes and your notebooks. So my dear students, what have we learned today? Today we learned that boiling water on 100 degrees Celsius makes water able to drink, and making water free of impurities is called purification of water. Filtration by a piece of alum and a clean cloth makes water clean and ready to use, and this is called filtration. So my dear students, now you also know the importance of clean water and how you can clean water at your homes by different processes. So my dear students, keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.